Tex-Mex cheesy red chicken enchiladas. We have the full recipe coming right up. Stick around. Hola amigos, welcome back to Tex-Mex at Home. Today we're making Tex-Mex enchiladas. Tender shredded chicken inside a tortilla, smothered in a bold savory enchilada sauce. This recipe looks hard to make, but it's easier than you think. For more delicious recipes, go to our page at texmexathome.com. Now let's get started. This recipe serves 4 to 6 people. For today, we will need 2 chicken breasts shredded, 1½ teaspoons of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 3 tablespoons of oil, 1 can of enchilada sauce, 8 to 10 regular sized corn tortillas, and 1 cup of shredded cheese. First, let's cook our chicken. Bring a pot of water to a boil, then add your chicken. At this point, we're not adding any seasoning to the chicken to keep it simple, and so it won't compete with the sauce's flavor. Cover it and let it cook for about 25 minutes or until it shreds easily. Once the chicken is ready, keep about 1/4 cup of your cooked chicken broth. This will keep the shredded chicken from drying out. Shred your chicken, season it with salt and pepper, add the chicken broth, and toss to coat. Then set it aside for later. Before we move to the next step, preheat your oven to 350 degrees. In a separate pan over low heat, add 1 teaspoon of oil and pour in your enchilada sauce. You can find enchilada sauce at your nearest grocery store on their international or Latin aisle. Stir occasionally so the sauce won't stick to the bottom of the pan, and let it heat through. Keep it on low heat so it stays ready while you prepare your tortillas. If you're enjoying this recipe so far, hit like and subscribe. It helps us keep these recipes coming. In a separate skillet over medium heat, add about 1 teaspoon of oil. You won't be adding all your oil at once, just enough for your tortillas to lightly fry. Once the oil is hot, place your tortilla on the skillet. Cook it for about 8 to 10 seconds per side. You're not trying to fry it, you're just making it flexible. If the tortilla gets too hard, it will crack when you roll it. Remove your tortilla from the skillet and transfer it to a plate. Repeat this process until you've made as many as you'd like. Next, dip your tortilla into the enchilada sauce. Make sure both sides are fully coated. Take your tortilla out of the sauce, lay it flat, repeat until you're done coating all your tortillas. Now pour a little enchilada sauce over the chicken and mix. This next part is messy. Add a line of shredded chicken to your tortilla. Roll it up gently and place it seamed down in your baking dish. Repeat with remaining tortillas until your dish is full. Pour some of your remaining enchilada sauce over the top. You want just enough to cover the enchiladas and keep them juicy, not drenched. Add a generous layer of shredded cheese on top and bake for 350 degrees for 5 to 7 minutes, just until the cheese is melted. Keep an eye on it. You're not cooking anything at this point, just melting that cheese to perfection. And there you have it, cheesy, delicious Tex-Mex enchiladas. Serve them just like this, or top them with green avocado salsa. You can find that recipe here. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want more Tex-Mex at Home recipes, hit like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you never miss a new one. Now it's time to try it. You need to try this. I'll see you in the next one. Hasta luego.